How you feel right now?
Scared, tired.
Tired.
I didn't have pasta.
I feel tired, fatigued.
You haven't even started.
Today's workout suggestion is a rest.
Zoom in on that.
we're gonna see.
How you feeling?
Oh, we're so ready. I'm gonna be humbled. Humbled.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah, dude, let's go. No, I'm not ready. I'm fucking scared.
Feeling?
I'm nervous. Gotta go up a hill.
You're gonna do great.
Gavin swindled me into this, so.
Let's go, Gavin! The way he dove down. Woo! And he's off. Adios!
Yeah. Yeah. How do you feel?
In pain. Painful.
I gotta poop.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Woo. How you feeling?
That one hurt. That one was painful.
Yeah.
Shit blood.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're almost done.
Quit screaming at me, Tony. Dude, that's so fucking pretty. You got it, Tony? You got it?
Oh, Gavin, last one, dude. You're almost there, dude. You got it, man. Woo! Yeah, it's done, dude. There's a check. Look at the check, dude. Let's go! Yeah, tried it. Woo! Done, dude. Yeah! Go! When we get to Gavin's hike. That's it. Georgie. Oh, God. I don't even think you guys tried. All right. Woo! Oh gosh, I'm here. I'm excited to get some.